you guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, Kamara Vlogs. I know that it's been a long time that I made a sit and talk kind of video. I mean, it's almost 2 months, but yeah, it's a long time. Today I got some time, so I just took my tripod and light and I came with some really interesting things here. But before that, how are you guys? I hope you all are doing well. Everyone's healthy and strong. Today this video is about must-haves from Nykaa. Without any delay, let's get into the video. You know, Nykaa has a lot of options. It has a very wide range of products from high-end to affordable and super affordable products. I haven't tried any high-end products like, you know, Clinique, Dior, you know, Charlotte Tilbury, because I'm broke AF every single time, and this video is more like a college essential kind of video also. So any college going girls like me who are also broke, come on. So I'll be going with one skincare, one makeup kind of order. So we'll start first with a skincare product. First, it's always cleansing, right? Double cleansing is very much important as a college going student. It's almost like a teenage kind of time and definitely will be facing acne, I mean breakouts. Double cleansing is a must if you have acne prone skin. First step of double cleansing is using a micellar water or a cleansing oil, and if you have an oily skin, micellar waters work very best. One such very nice high quality affordable micellar water is this, the Garnier micellar water. Amazing, I must say. You get this Chotu sub bottle for 199 rupees. Now let us go with a makeup product. In makeup, first step is using a primer. The primers can be, you know, something like silicone based or, you know, cream ones like strobe creams and all. Strobe creams are something to be used if you have dry skin. Oily skin, maybe not, because few formulations are good for oily skin, few maybe, you know, oily for oily skin. One such nice formulation is this, the Faces Canada strobe cream in the shade Rose Gold. I mean, this is having a nice texture. Right after blending, you can immediately see that shine and illumination on your skin. A very nice strobe cream from my side. I have acne prone skin and I use this. It has shea butter, which is comedogenic, but it didn't do nothing to my skin, and this retails for 600 rupees, but you can buy them during sales. It comes at a lower price. Now a skincare product. This is a very hyped product in the market currently, and you get mixed reviews on this. Of course, mine is also a mixed review, and this is the COSRX Nail Mucin Essence. Why a mixed review, you may ask? Okay, so this is wonderful if you have dry skin, if you are dealing with redness and inflammation. It is like, my skin just loves this. This is my second bottle, and let me tell you beforehand, this one whole bottle, which is 100 ml, this will last you for almost like 6 months. Yes, on continuous usage. Personally feel that yes, it is worth if you're having dry and dehydrated skin. Number two, no. If you are having acne prone skin and you want to treat your acne with this, no, that's not gonna happen. This is my opinion about this Nail Mucin Essence. If you have any other doubts regarding any other products that I keep mentioning here in this video, comment that so that I can give you a detailed answer which will help you and which will help others also. Now let us go with the next product, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is the mini version. Nykaa Low, during sales you get this at a very better price, and this is something which you can wear daily. Second, affordable. Third, it gives a very nice coverage. Let me tell you, this is not something which can give you a very high coverage, but it's buildable and it gives a medium coverage. This mini version retails for 325, but I got it for around 275 or something, which is a great deal, by the way. Imagine you purchasing the large or the long bottle, which retails for around 500 to 600, and it's again way past the expiry date. You don't use it, you just forgot about that product. Literally half or more than half of your money has gone wasted in that long bottle. So that's the main reason why I prefer this mini version, and I keep recommending the mini versions. This video is mainly oriented for college going girls or college going students. I know that you'll be waking up at 8 o'clock. If the college starts at 9 o'clock, you'll be waking at 8:30, and you'll definitely skip sunscreen or moisturizer. For that, I have this one product which comes to a great rescue for you guys. So it's the Aqualogica Glow Plus Dream Cream. Now this contains SPF in it, so it's a sunscreen cum moisturizer. There is also another option which is called as Episoft, but that retails around 600 to 700 I guess, and this retails for 450. This has a very nice consistency. It is not too thick, not too thin, but it blends beautifully, moisturizes very well, and it has SPF, so you can easily reapply this, and it does not give any white cast. Sunscreen filters over here, SPF of 33 and PA+++, which is quite great for protection, sun protection. It's not that higher the SPF, higher is the protection. No, that's a myth basically, and it's the PA factor that you need to see. It should at least have a 3+ sign. It's not the foundation but the concealer that most people tend to wear when they are going to college. The main problem with many concealers, even the high-end ones, are that they crease very bad near the under eyes. The case gets worse if you're having under eye bags like mine, or you have lines like this. I've got two concealers which are affordable and they don't crease and they give a nice coverage. First one is the Swiss Beauty concealer. This is the OG affordable concealer which doesn't crease, and the second one, which is a new one, is the Inside HD concealer. Both work like high-end products. What exactly is creasing? Creasing is the deposition of the concealer pigments right under your fine lines like these. There's this one test you can do before purchasing your concealers. If you're shopping offline and you go to a nearby store and you want to try out their concealers, then do this one thing. You can take your concealer, apply it over the junction of your thumb and the index near this side. You just need to dab it. You can see that there are many lines near that area, and this test can also be useful to check if your eyeshadows also crease or not. It's summer season, right? And if you are looking for a body lotion which leaves a non-sticky and a lightweight finish, then this 200 ml product retailing for 300 rupees comes to your rescue, which is the Vaseline Glutathione Serum in Lotion. Ingredient spotlight: it has niacinamide, glutathione and titanium dioxide. So titanium dioxide is a physical sunscreen filter and it's used in this, but it's in the last lines of the ingredient list, and I can tell you that it won't give you a very good sun protection, but it does give you sun protection to some extent. You need to use an additional sunscreen for this. And glutathione, which of course everybody knows, I guess, that it is used for brightening of the skin, and niacinamide, it's again a very well-known ingredient. But this has fragrance, so I don't mind fragrance in my body care, but I do mind fragrance in my face skin care. So I don't use this, and I'll not even recommend to use this on your face, because this has too much of fragrance, and that kind of fragrance can lead to again skin barrier compromisation. Skin barrier gets compromised and again you'll have breakouts. Everyone loves that natural kind of flush look on your cheeks, right? And there are a lot of blush options which are available in the market and on Nykaa, which are again from high-end to super affordable and affordable section. But the thing is that few leave, the finish is not nice. It always feels chunky kind of finish. Now I have with me two blush options which are two different varieties. One is a cream blush and the second one is a water tint. The cream blush is from Inside Cosmetics. It has got a very nice texture and the packaging is also very handy. This is in the shade Strawberry Drip and it retails for 80 rupees. It has some warm undertone in this, more towards peachier side. The advantage of this is that it is a very beginner friendly product. You can work easily with it because it blends how you want it to blend. So if there's any mistake that you've placed your blush in a wrong direction, or you know it went all over the place, you can just take a beauty blender and you can just take off the excess using the back of the beauty blender, or you can even use a moisturizer or stroke cream and you can just, you know, make it look a bit more natural. This tint is not beginner friendly. Why? Because you need to work straight away with it. This leaves a stain. One mistake that you do, you can't go use a stroke cream or a moisturizer and make it look like natural. It just leaves a stain. So the stain thing is the problem here. You need to work straight away after applying the dots on your face, and otherwise if you can work with it, it's a great option. Now talking about another main section of college makeup, which is eye makeup. So you need a good eyeliner, you need a good mascara, and if you are going for parties and all, you need a good shimmer and matte eyeshadows, and they need to be really handy and affordable. And I've got with me 3 options here for eyeliner, and mind you, this is a colored eyeliner. It is again from Swiss Beauty, and this is their Pop Eye Style Liner, which is in the shade Plum Purple. This is a 3 ml bottle and retails for this much amount, and this is waterproof. Now coming to the next one, which is mascara. This is the Mars Fabulash mascara. The wand is also amazing. It gives you a nice voluminous lash. For eyeshadow palette, which goes handy into your sling or whatever bag you're carrying, which is a very small bag. This is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, which retails for $4.99. Now this one has got 4 shimmer shades, 1 2 3 4, and these 2 are some matte shades. So these are the shades which I usually tend to use whenever I'm in a hurry. So I go always for warm shades on my eyes. Again, there are variety of shades which are available in this palette. These eyeshadow colors, they don't crease and are perfect. Coming to lip care and lip products, one lip care product, I mean a lip balm, which you definitely need to try, which can help you deal with your pigmentation and also your chapped lips, is this NMFE lip balm, which retails for 175 rupees. It is a great savior if you have chapped lips, especially in the winters. You need to try this. It has SPF of 40+, so it helps you with preventing pigmentation of the lips. You know, I never found anything which is under 200 rupees and works on your chapped lips this well. Lip care is done. Now lip products, a very good lip liner which can even work as a lipstick. This, actually I didn't buy this one thing separately. I bought a whole 12 pieces ka set, which retails for around $8.99, but I got it for around 650 or less than that during sale time. If you have too many lipsticks and you need a good liner for it, then this is a very good option. So now a new trend which is being followed by all over the internet, as it looks super good, is using a clear lash and brow gel, because they give a very nice effect. And I have with me the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. So you get 2 in 1. This is for lash and this is for brow. This will stay clearly for 4 or more hours, and I'm happy with the decision that I purchased this. I wanted to include a good perfume in this, which retails under 200 and smells amazing, lasts long. It's the Ransons Your Lovely perfume, which retails for around 199 rupees. Mind you that this is not having a very sweet kind of smell, but it has a very strong fragrance. Maybe it's woody, more towards the woody side. It's very long lasting. Is this a must have? Definitely. Well, here we come with the end of the video. I know that I gave a very short and crisp reviews of the products. I just wanted to keep this as a short yes and why are they must-haves kind of video. I hope this video is helpful. Do like and share my video, and also do comment if you are having any doubts regarding the products or any other suggestions of content. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Bye bye.